For more insight now, I want to bring in trial attorney Rachel Kugel. Hi, Rachel. Thanks for joining us here on NewsNation now. Doing all right, doing all right. You know, we were speaking to Jesse Weber, our NewsNation legal contributor, last hour on this, and it was his belief that he thought maybe Alex Murdaugh might take the fifth in this one. You think that's a possibility here?
I 100% agree with Jesse Weber. So when it comes to, civil cases, look, they can drag you in, they can make you sit for that deposition, but they can't make you answer. They certainly, can sit there and basically, with regard to any specific question that his lawyer feels is potentially incriminating, he can take the fifth instead of answering. So, yeah, I think that's likely.
You think it's likely. Jesse thinks it's likely. I was wondering, if he does answer questions, keep in mind, he answered questions in his last trial. He was on the stand. How you believe anything that he says? And if this is a civil case, would it go to a jury? Like, how would they believe anything that Alex Murdaugh says?
Yeah, I mean, ultimately, and that's really also why it's probably worth taking the fifth, right? Because it's not like anything he says is going to have any great value for you. If you're his lawyer in this civil case, it's not like anything that he says is going to be super helpful. So he might as well protect himself and take the fifth. I don't really see any reason not to, especially while there's all this insinuation of a cover-up, et cetera, these things that potentially could lead to additional criminal charges for him.
Interesting to hear you both say that. I guess we'll see what happens when it happens. Meantime, now over to Idaho. The murder suspect there, Brian Kohberger, will be back in court in a few weeks as prosecutors decide whether or not to seek the death penalty. Yesterday, a judge entered a not guilty plea on Kohberger's behalf. He's accused, Rachel, as you know, of killing 4 college students last November. The father of victim, Kaylee Gonsalves, told our Ashley Banfield that he wants the death penalty.
You just can't hunt our babies. You just can't come to our state and hurt our people. It's unacceptable. We're a small state, but you're going to see how strong we are and how big we are when you mess with us. It's been crossed. The line's been crossed, and we're going to go there.
Rachel, do you think that's what eventually happens here at some point within the next 60 days, that the death penalty gets put on the table?
So, I mean, I think it's super meaningful, right? And prosecutors definitely take it into consideration, the victim's family and the feelings of the victim's family. I think what's interesting is we saw him yesterday stand silent rather than entering a specific plea of guilty or not guilty. And I'm wondering if that wasn't part of the strategy to sort of try and, I don't know, tone down the heat here, because obviously there's a lot of emotional heat around this case. I mean, understandably so, and certainly, related, of course, to the victim's family in this case. Perhaps by not speaking at all, it was a strategy to kind of try to tone down this heat and this rhetoric and that emotional fire that's there, in the hopes of maybe working out a plea deal that doesn't involve the death penalty, because that's about all you can do for him, right, as his attorney, in terms of a plea offer. They're not going to give a better plea offer than that, I don't think.
All right, Rachel Kugel, of course, a story we've been following and will continue to follow out there in Idaho. Thank you for joining us. Appreciate it.
Thanks for having me.